In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Word to rewrite your drafts. If you've ever stared at a paragraph that feels clunky, too casual, or just not quite right, Copilot in Word can help you polish it without leaving your document. It's designed to refine clarity, tone, and style so your writing lands exactly how you intend. Start by selecting the text you want to improve. This can be a single sentence, a paragraph, or even a larger section, but it's often easiest to work in manageable chunks so you can clearly see what's changing. Once your text is highlighted, look for the Copilot icon that appears nearby or in the ribbon, depending on your word layout. Click it to open your rewriting options. From here, you have two paths. If you want a quick general improvement, choose Auto Rewrite. This gives you a polished version without needing to type anything. If you have a specific goal in mind, type a custom prompt. For example, you can say more formal, more concise, or creative. You can also add context, like simplify for a general audience or make it more persuasive, so Copilot understands your intent and targets the right tone and level of detail. After Copilot generates suggestions, take a moment to review them carefully. Compare the new wording with your original and look for improvements in flow, clarity, and consistency. Make sure the facts, names, and technical details still match what you meant to say. If the suggestion mostly works but needs a tweak, you have a few choices. Click Replace to swap your original text with the new version. Choose Insert Below to keep your original while adding the rewrite underneath, which is great for side-by-side comparison. And if it's close, but not quite there, click Regenerate to try again. You can repeat this as many times as you need until the tone and wording feel right. A few quick tips make this process even smoother. Be specific in your prompt. Tell Copilot the tone, audience, and purpose, and you'll get better results. Work section by section to keep your voice consistent throughout the document. And remember, you're still the editor-in-chief. Copilot is a strong starting point, but a quick human pass ensures the final text sounds like you and fits your goals. That's it. Select your text, open Copilot, choose Auto Rewrite or write a targeted prompt, then review and either replace, insert below, or regenerate. With a little iteration, you'll turn rough drafts into clean, confident writing directly inside Word.